The CI Munro Alternative Global Growth Fund delivered an 8% return for the fourth quarter in 2020, and what was a pleasing result, driven by strong equity markets on the back of an efficacious vaccine being announced, and also on a fairly benign US election result. And so from that point of view, what we can see here in markets is the best way to look at this is its continued compression in the equity risk premium for markets. Interest rates are remaining low, a number of concerning events are passing, and ultimately the market's beginning to price in a better outlook. And while markets have been strong to date, it is worth flagging if interest rates do continue to remain low, there is room for the equity risk premium to compress further in the months and years ahead. And look, from our point of view, the 8% return was pleasing because we did manage to keep up with the market despite the large cyclical rotation that occurred in the fourth quarter on the back of the vaccine announcement. And so from that point of view, the reason why we managed to keep up was mainly due to our semiconductor holdings in Taiwan Semi and ASML, which benefited from both cyclical recovery and the structural shift to just fewer and fewer players winning here. And secondly, the main reason was because of climate. Climate is the largest area of interest in the fund, and obviously all of these stocks got a significant boost from Biden winning the US presidency. The momentum was there before, but it has continued post-Biden winning the presidency. And so as we look forward into 2021, from our point of view, we continue to look for these areas of structural growth to provide structural earnings growth to ultimately lead to share price growth over the future. And so from that point of view, we're still very much wedded to the climate area of interest into 2021 and also into those semiconductors. Elsewhere, you'll see healthcare has come down a little bit, and we're still very much wedded to our big digital winners. We do think the habits that were formed in COVID will stick, and ultimately that pull forward in demand will continue. And not only will that favour the big companies in the space, but it'll also favour the next generation that are coming through. And we're showing you a few of them here on the page here, and we'll endeavour to continue to give you more insights into some of these new winners as 2021 progresses. Thanks very much for listening.